Jamaica, we feel the hurricane breeze.
So this is your girl Lady Ruth, and I am here with
Marion.
and we are at Tiamo Beach Resort with the team of Tiamo Cares, who partnered with World Central Kitchen to provide 1,000 meals a day to those in need across the different communities of Jamaica. If you would like to support this very important cause, please check the link below.
Yes, thanks in advance for your support.
But we still stand tall. Go with people never fall. Stronger than before we rise again.
After the storm, we still rise. Tears dry up when sunshine light the skies. No wind can shed the love inside. Jamaica strong, we're not divided. After the storm, we still rise.
The hurricane tear through roof and
Like
tree.
the best food I eat since the goddamn hurricane Melissa come. Keep on the good job.
But we spirit still wild and free. House might mash up, light my gun. But up in our yard keep
Okay? Family. Take care.
We are everybody family, man. We are
Yes. I'm this mango. God no, do ball there.
Yeah, man, we homeless,
So
man.
going
We
homeless.
to sleep, you know.
Right, that's give me a bag when I stop on the camera there. Right.
Respect and manners.
Give thanks and praises, you know.